Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video. We got a fortune cookie. The door card is off of the car because, well, the door lock actuator is broken. But, let's see what our fortune is. Fortune cookie, learn Chinese. Very good.
I think you have to flip it the other way.
Throw that out. Today, that was kind of disrespectful. Pick that up. Put that in my pocket.
I know you guys want this.
I'm unveiling my brand new car, but first, Christina and I are going to a car show. We got the CLK 500 that Team Grant built and almost won with.
Lost. And that power steering too.
Oh yeah, that's how it's done right there. This is this car's first car show. It is gonna be a little bit embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie, because the power steering pump is also going out, so every time we turn, it makes a really bad squeaking noise.
And let's not forget, you're pulling up with the losing car.
Ejecto-cito, cuz.
Oh, your water bottle's up on top here.
Oh yeah, door's open too. Oh my God. Go, this is my favorite thing to do. Damn, that's lame.
No wonder it's broken.
Give me your honest thoughts, honest opinions. What are your thoughts on how Team Grant's CLK 500 turned out?
Oof.
A head scratcher, wow.
I think it's good. I saw the vision you were going for. I saw the vision you were going for.
I'll take it, I guess. Anyways, we'll catch back up with you guys once we get to the car show. We made it.
Grant, I don't think you should pull your car in.
Why? Because of my power steering pump?
No, I just, don't think this is for Euro cars. Spectator parking. That's you. Yeah, go straight.
No.
No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. There's a 914. Oh, he's waving you down. He said, hell.
He said, no, sir. Spectator parking it is. Must be full or maybe pre-registration. I don't know.
Or they just didn't want your Euro car. That is so clean. Excuse my language. I hope you didn't catch that. That's so beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
This is what Grant tried doing.
Yeah, okay. That's the spectator parking. I'm fine parking in spectator. There she is, looking all sorts of beautiful.
Thank you.
In spectator parking. Look how beautiful you look in spectator parking. You just look so amazing. Funny enough, me and Christina actually came to this like little car show maybe like 4 years ago. Like kind of when we met.
We just stumbled upon it.
We were just driving that day. But I dig this like dang. It's got the Alpina wheels on it. Oh, this is a true Alpina, isn't it? This is such a beautiful car. 10 out of 10.
But his interior is about to get really hot.
It is toasty today. Oh, and tell them what happened at your house.
What happened at my house?
The
my
weather.
AC broke.
Yeah, in this like 100-degree weather. Should we do it? Should we GTA this thing? Yeah. Let's go right now. Let's go. You know what, you guys? I just thought about it. By the time this video comes out, Christina's car will be live. Most of you guys will already know what car she bought, but you obviously don't know what car I bought. Dude, I had to get up for this. My uncle had a Celine identical to this one. This is beautiful. Yeah. Oh my God. And he's got like the speedster style hunches on the back. That is gorgeous. That just brought back like the deepest core memories for me. That car right there is one of 2 cars responsible for getting me into cars next to my 1970 Plymouth Cuda. So, I don't know. Figured I'd share that with you guys. A little sentimental moment there.
Should we host a Christina and Grant meet? Team
right
Christina,
here?
Team Grant. We're gonna make a big divide. Team Christina, Team Grant.
Yeah, right down the middle. This is all
Grant's lot is so empty.
No, that'd be your lot, bro. I think like you have a bunch of Rolls Royces and beautiful S197 Mustangs. Ours would be like clapped out Civics and stuff, like straight up. Said what?
Where is the Ferrari flag?
Forget Ferrari. We're all about Ford in this household.
No.
Ford. This is gorgeous. That's beautiful. And a little foreshadow. This thing is also absolutely stunning. Nice. They have GT500s, they have GT350Rs. I haven't seen an R in a minute, and this spec is literally the best 350R spec ever. I love this. This is actually a 10 out of 10 right here. This line of cars right here, another 10 out of 10. Way too many cars to cover. You know what that means? Quick montage.
It's convertible.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
What?
That's sick. And it pays homage to the 1971
Cuda.
Plymouth Cuda with that decal on the side and the Hemi. And it has the vents on the side and the shaker hood. That's actually
so
sick.
cool.
That's beautiful. Oh, well, hello there. We're getting spoiled on this side of the car show. It's got the front grille and everything. And then it's 2.4 GTs behind me right now. Alrighty. This is sick. This is a really cool spec. And then the iconic red on white spec. That's absolutely stunning as well. Oh, I didn't even notice. There's an Indy car right here too. That's actually crazy.
So cool.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
So which GT are you going with? Are you going with the 05 gen or the 2017 gen?
Never driven either. I don't know.
I haven't either, unfortunately,
Aww.
but they're both beautiful.
They're so nice.
So we just caught up with our good friend Ken Lingenfelter. This is
Continental V8.
His
It is
Continental
so
V8.
beautiful. A supercharged V8.
Is it supercharged?
Yeah, mine
Is this a
is.
This is a Stingray too. It's not even a Z06, is it?
Yeah, I don't even know like what spec because they have it all modded out. They
Yeah,
have a little
yeah.
mini wide body kit, which I love. This one. It's not too extreme. It's just some
Yeah.
fender flares, and it's so nice.
It is beautiful.
I love the orange and black. Like
It
I
is-
might.
No, what I like the most is the matte finish. It's not
With the gloss black.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, exactly.
So cool. The new F-Type. Remember how I told you last week I haven't seen the new F-Type ever since the new facelift came out? Ain't nobody. And now I see it. Remember when I told you that? Remember when I told you that? Yeah.
Give me that. That is such a good looking car. I'm taking that over the Z06 any day of the year. V10 over V8 all day. And then there's this.
A losing car.
Get out of here. You're walking home. Bye. Oh, I cut my nose.
Ow. How did that happen?
It's a long story. But, anyways, let's go home. I feel so weird doing it like this. Let's go home and
Show you guys the new
show
car?
you guys the new whip. Oh, you guys, we made it back home. I'm not gonna hold you guys to it any longer. Let's unveil it. It's right behind this garage door.
Look at my poor car.
Any guesses? You're wrong. Just kidding. Some of you were right, actually. A lot of you guys guessed the car. Without further ado, here it is, my brand new Mustang. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Yes, sir.
Ford versus Ferrari.
That's right.
This is crazy.
That's right. So we got a 1969 Ford Mustang, and she's a looker. She needs a bit of work, but let's pull her out so that we can kind of get more, you know. It does have some flat tires on it. That's okay. It is a Mustang Grande. It is not the fastback. I wish it was a fastback, but I don't have fastback kind of money. Well, let's pull it out. The starter's not lighting. Okay, so right now we are using the portable air compressor to try and see if these tires hold any air, which I highly doubt they will. Moment of truth. Let's see. No way. Dude. We might be able to roll the car out. Maybe. Oh yeah. Now we're in business.
You're welcome.
That's not making the best noise. I'm a little upset because when I bought it, it turned on. I had it trailered to the house though, and now it's not turning on, and I don't know why it's not turning on. I hope I didn't get scammed, but it's here nonetheless. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, my 1969 Ford Mustang Grande. Well, we got some air in the tires to hold, which is good. This is the back. It came with the spoiler. Spoiler is not installed on the car, but it already has the holes cut out and everything for it. But it's literally just, look at it. It's such a good looking car. Now the owner did tell me that this is primed and ready for paint, but I wish you guys could hear it start because it started and it sounded absolutely amazing. Speaking on which, let's dive into what is done to the car. We got hood pins. I've never owned a car with hood pins, so I'm very excited about that. Under the hood, we are rocking a 351 Windsor, and this is the largest small block that Ford ever made, so I think that's pretty cool. Pretty badass engine. I heard it start and it sounds absolutely amazing. It's got X-cams, it's got aluminum heads, it's got headers, and it's got a full catback exhaust basically on it. So the car sounds really good. Not as good as the Cuda, don't get me wrong. This car sounds amazing, but nothing can touch the Cuda. This car is full of mysteries, and I'm just excited to own it. We have a lot to do to it. It's got the iconic 4 headlights up front. It is missing the little chin spoiler thing there at the bottom, so we definitely need to install that. It's got the vent on the hood. It still has the badges, even though it's primed, which is kind of weird. Coming around to the back, I already showed you guys, it's got the cutouts for a spoiler. This is what the rear end looks like. It's got all of the logos and emblems on it. Boy, is it hot out today, but allow me to share my plans with this car with you guys. A lot of you guys aren't gonna like this, but I figured I already have a classic car. I already have something that is built to look as close to factory spec as possible, my 1970 Plymouth Cuda. This one, I think I wanna do like some sort of resto mod on it. I wanna make it exotic in a way, something that not many people do to it, and I think I'm gonna try to just modernize the car. I'm not gonna do like wide body kits and everything, but I'm just gonna put like that Grant Sloan special to it, you know what I mean? Coming on into the interior, the previous owner installed a tachometer right there. Now, don't get me wrong, it looks completely beat up, it looks very used and abused, but it's just very dirty. This interior, brand new seats were installed. There's really not much left for me to do on this car other than make it look the part, right? It's very dirty, so it needs just a quick detail. It still has the wood on the dash. It's got the lights, everything works on it. So I'm very excited to work on this car and call it my own. So I'm gonna catch back up with you guys tomorrow. We're gonna install the first part. And it is the next day, ladies and gentlemen. And the first part up on the list today is the headlights. I think it should be the wheels because those things are beyond toast. But today we're gonna be installing some headlights, and that's the first modification on the 1969 Mustang. So these are the current headlights. They're basically the OEM, I guess, manufactured look. Obviously this is the more classic look, but since the whole goal of this car is to modernize it, obviously we're not gonna keep the classic stock headlights. We're gonna go something more, whatever the opposite of traditional is. So let's go unbox them. These bad boys. Hopefully we have 4. Aha! Now for the most satisfying part, there we are. These are sick. They have LED diodes on the top and bottom. I'm pretty sure this bar right across the middle is a LED like daytime running light. I could be mistaken though. So upon popping the hood, it looks like the inner fog lights are going to be removed right here, nice and simply, thankfully. However, the headlights, well, we can't really access those from here. We are gonna have to come around and access them from inside of the wheel well. This was being held down by one screw. One screw was keeping this glass from falling out, but we got the old headlights out. It's probably a good idea to unplug your battery while doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now before I do the other 4. But we got the first one out. And just like that, we have the old headlight assemblies out. Well, at least on the driver's side of the car. Still have to do the other side, but here is a quick comparison for you guys between old and new. Quite a big difference. That surprisingly wasn't as hard as I thought. However, the main headlight is actually spring loaded, which is really weird. All I had to do was unhook the spring and the headlight pretty much came out. That's a damn good looking car. What up, Lily?
I actually own this car.
Oh,
so
is that yours?
Please don't like film it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if I just?
No, just keep it that way. Thank you.
Can I just record it like
sorry,
that?
We don't. No paparazzi, please.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, who's that driving it?
My driver actually.
Your driver?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Is it? You don't even know how to open your own car?
You know, I don't really drive this that often. That. You know, it's.
Do you know how to drive stick?
Oh, obviously.
Obviously, okay.
Yeah, you know, like, can you open, like, you know, like, I just, you know. Yeah, I don't like, you know, I don't really take out this car often.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Gotcha.
I like having people do, like, things for me.
Like, open the door for you?
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly, because I don't want to get my hands all
okay, yeah.
Yeah. See ya.
All right.
See ya.
Take care. Thanks for the interview.
Yeah, no problem.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. We got one headlight in, the main headlight. Now we're gonna do the fog light, and we'll be able to compare both sides of the car. So it was definitely a little bit difficult, but the fog light should be a lot easier, and then we'll be done with one side of the car. Here is the before and the after, ladies and gentlemen. You tell me down below which one you like more. I'm not gonna lie, I like the original more with the current state of the car, but I think once we get the car kind of assembled with the final look, the aftermarket headlights are gonna look so much cleaner. So you know what they say, trust the process, because just trust the process. Holy smokes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here are the headlights. That side, the spring on the main headlight on the passenger side literally took me well over an hour to put on, but finally got it on. And the headlights look really good. Now, like I said before, I do like the original headlights more as the car stands right now, but these headlights will fit the image that I have. You just have to trust the process. But I'm happy with them. The LED lights do turn on. I did not wire up the daytime running lights just yet, but I'm calling it a day for now. And I'm also calling it a video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, drop a comment, whatever you got to do, and peace out.